All right, I want to make a couple notes in today's video journal entry. The day decisions. I wanted to really say that if price falls below previous day's high, I'm not going to be going long on it, or I'm going to be very careful about being bullish. But I noticed that it was above previous day's high, so I'm bullish. And I got a little confused on it because I was noticing this high, all-time high, and it was below that. But yesterday's high, it was definitely above. It was up in this area here. So I was bullish, even though it had not crossed that one. It was above previous day's high. So I was very bullish. Now it's above both. I'm extremely bullish. So we went long and trying to catch the momentum, and you just got to go, okay, what pivot do I think is going to hold up? Well, we got these two very important lines here, 2 days ago high and previous day's high, and I figured if it falls below previous day's high all the way down on this line right here, actually this one right here, if it comes all the way down here and closes underneath that line, which is underneath that pivot, and if it goes below that line, even though it's probably a good area to bounce if it wants, this pivot is right at that level. It's very difficult to not put your stop in a place that it could bounce. And that's why everybody experiences that, because there is no safe spot. There's no safe spot. We can be sensible and make educated guesses about what we think structure is telling us. I got you on all that. But I need to pay attention, because I might want to cash out on the spike, even though it might continue to go higher.
Order filled.
I'll close it. I know. It's one of the things I need to work on, actually, is holding my winners longer. I could have done what is probably the best if I want to close it, is just trail candle by candle. I mean, if you're already in the mind of taking your profits, why not just watch it develop candle by candle, see if it goes up a little bit more, and you can see where I got out right there. And it's if I was following candle by candle right now, that's probably where I would get stopped out if it comes back down. If it comes back down, it will sweep that pivot of that previous candle, and it will stop me out anyway. But I like to watch it to see if I'm able to exercise patience. Well, now my stop would have been higher. It had been underneath that candle. So I did lose a little money on that by not practicing that particular, patience strategy there. But yeah, that's a good thing I want to remember then, and go ahead and just trail. If you're thinking about getting out, well, I need to take profits now. Trail candle by candle. It's not going to hurt you to trail candle by candle. You already want to get out anyway, so if you get stopped out, no big deal. Yeah, look how much higher that would have went. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, I hope I did cash out on that one. I'm bringing my accounts back up to 50 that were down on my paid accounts. So I did get red a little bit at first. All right, they're all back above 50 or 50 or above, except for this one. Got a little under $100 to go. And so I'm going to just try to bring them all back up. We were down 500 in one and about 400 in the other. So I'm excited to see that I brought them back, with legitimate trading. Wow. I wonder if I'd still be in this trade. Yeah, that red candle was not hit by this green candle. I'd still be in this trade up to this point right here. That much extra right there so far anyway. Wow. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.